Good morning, everybody. Good morning. We are currently in a trade for gold. Right now it's 8:52 a.m., 12/18/24. Let's take a look at why we took it. Now, looking at gold, we came down and we swept. This is the 4-hour time frame. We swept these 4-hour lows right here with this wick, as you can see. And immediately after that, I knew that we were going up. So what did I do? I dropped down to the 5-minute time frame, as you can see right here. On the 5-minute time frame, we were breaking down to the downside, but right after we swept those lows, these 4-hour lows right here, we displaced on the 5-minute time frame with this candle. It broke above these highs, like a move up followed by a move down, caused a fair value gap. Even though this fair value gap got disrespected, we still had displacement to the upside. Now, what am I doing? Um, right now we're in a we're still in a 5-minute order block. We just got out of it, but we tapped into the 5-minute order block, and what did I wait for? Down here, the high was here. I was waiting for that to get broke. Then we had a new move up and a move down. Waited for that to get broke with displacement on the 1-minute time frame, which we did right here. See this candle, this weird looking candle right here, broke above those highs, leaving a fair value gap, and we're riding it up to. We have what? These are 30-minute highs. I want to say they got swept, but we got, I want to say, 5-minute highs right here that we could take out. 5-minute liquidity. And the ultimate goal is up here. Up here is the 4-hour highs. Yeah, 4-hour highs. 1-hour highs. But yeah, so we're in this trade. And we're gonna see how it plays out. Ultimately. A good sign that we're gonna still go up is this 5-minute fair value gap just got disrespected. This bearish fair value gap just got disrespected. So we'll take that out. Still displacing to the upside, which is great confirmation. I might honestly just take off all here. Not even joking. But yeah, guys, we're gonna see. Um, like I said in the last video, I'm not a big fan of gold, but Nas is playing around like at all-time highs and stuff. So I don't got time for that. So it just swept 4-hour liquidity. Oh man. Yeah, I don't know what Nas is doing, and I don't want to trade that December price action on Nas. Mm-mm-mm. I move my take profit down here because I really don't want to risk getting. I don't think price is gonna go up to these 4-hour highs. It doesn't have the momentum on gold, especially. 1 minute fair value gap right here. That price is in. Like gold's candles are so weird. Like they're like stuck. Like they create actual gaps. Oh my god, so much. They create actual gaps. Like not fair value gaps, but they create actual gaps. Like look at this. It's not solidified price action, in my opinion. Mm-mm-mm-mm-mm. Back to break even. But yeah, guys, with gold, I realized that you have to like it doesn't it's not really volatile. And I can't find the best date and time to trade gold. So I'm just keeping my take profits short, you know. Short take profits. Tapped into the not 5 minute. So 1 minute order block down here and down here. Yeah, like right now it's just consolidating. And we know gold just loves to freaking consolidate, bro. Like it just loves to push and then stop, catch its breath, and then push again. Yep. Why did this candle start out like that, bro? Why did it start right next to the candle previous? Gold, man. There's a 5 minute fair value gap here, but we never broke structure to the downside on the 5 minute time frame. So I don't count that. We did, however, sweep 30-minute highs and then displace a little bit to the downside. But we also swept a more powerful time frame of liquidity, the 4 hour. Like we swept all these lows down here. I don't know why it's still coming back down, but 1 hour is bearish. Yuck. Hmm. We might get stopped out. I see why. Yeah, I see why we're gonna get stopped out. Um, the 1 hour is bearish, as you can see. Look, a move down, move up. The 4 hour is bearish as well. I thought that because we swept these 4 hour lows and we got displacement off of it, we would go to the upside. That would have been the beginning of this 4 hour candle going bullish, but no. So the 1 hour, the 4 hour is bearish. We swept these 30-minute highs and then we broke to the downside. Yeah, this trade might go against us, guys. Not gonna lie. Not gonna lie. Because after we swept the 4 hour lows, we displaced to the upside on the 5 minute time frame, causing a fair value gap, respecting the 5 minute order block, and then when we tapped into the 5 minute order block, we displaced out of it. So I thought that we were gonna be bullish, and it only makes sense that we are bullish. But yeah, that's just how I see it. That's how I see it, and it makes sense to me. Yeah, and like right now it's just frozen. Back to break even, pretty much. Never mind. 1 minute fair value gap got respected. Yep, this thing wants to go down. Yep. So the 4 hour time frame. This is why we lost this trade, guys. The 4 hour time frame was bearish. It never broke above anything. The 1 hour time frame is bearish. The freaking daily time frame is definitely bearish. We swept 30-minute highs, but I thought or believed that since we swept these 4 hour lows, um, right before market open, that we would go to the upside, and we displaced afterwards. But I was wrong. So yeah, I mean, that's why we're gonna lose this trade, I guess. And it's, yeah, it's making higher highs and higher, lower lows and lower highs. Damn, gold, you just playing with me right now, man. Just playing around with me, man. It sucks, but it is what it is, you know. Yeah, there's no, even on the smaller time frames like the 1 minute, it's still displacing and it's still creating fair value gaps that are not getting disrespected, which means that momentum is definitely on the downside right now. Mm-mm-mm. Just wish gold moved like Nas, man. Like it just it chops around so much. It chops around so much. Like, what are these candles, bro? What are those candles? Damn. How close that is. How close that is to the stop loss. Literally went. It didn't even sweep the liquidity. It tapped into it on the same exact price level. What the hell? The buyers finally wake up, sip their morning coffee. Nope. Just seen some decent volatility come in the markets, but nothing. Look at that, bro. Same exact level. Just take me out, man. Take me out, man. Stop playing these games. You know you're gonna hit it. There you go. All right, guys. Yeah, we lost that, and I'll tell you exactly. I'll repeat again why we lost that trade. So I took this trade purely off of a liquidity sweep. I failed to use the liquidity sweep in alignment with my bias. Here's the bias going into today. The daily, we are bearish. The 4 hour, we are also bearish. If it can load. The 4 hour, we are also bearish. Right? Let me just delete all these drawings so you guys can see. The 4 hour, we are also bearish. As you can see, we didn't break above anything. If anything, we're still in this fair value gap range. On the 1 hour, we're also bearish. Look, I move down, move up. This candle broke. This is at 7 o'clock. This candle closed bearish. Right? 30-minute time frame. We swept these 30-minute highs right here at around 8 o'clock. We swept these 30-minute highs. And we were bearish on all top 4 time frames. Now, I took the trade because I seen price sweep these 4 hour lows. Price, after sweeping those lows, I didn't even go on the 1 hour time frame, 30-minute or 15-minute. I just seen this move of displacement to the upside, on the 5-minute time frame, leaving fair value gaps behind, breaking above highs. I thought that we were gonna buy today. And what did I do? I waited for price to come back into this 5-minute order block right here. And on the 1-minute time frame, I waited for breaks of structures with displacement. I entered off of this candle right here, targeting these highs right here. But price, you cannot go against the trend, man. And that's why we lost today. So $480 loss. Hope you guys can learn from this. I would not be taking these losses often. But yeah, hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Just a little loss, a trade recap, trade idea. And yeah, see you guys tomorrow.